Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is KHAIRUN with a batch number 20943. Okay, today I would like to teach you how to make a DIY pH indicator at home. The methods that we need to make this experiment is half cup of lemon juice, half cup of vinegar, half cup of tap water, 1 teaspoon of bicarbonate soda that will be mixed with water, 1 teaspoon of laundry powder that will be mixed with water too, the strainer, the knife that we will use to cut this red cabbage, the cutting board, the marker to label the cup, and lastly, the most important thing is our red cabbage juice that we will be made as the pH indicator.
First, to make the red cabbage juice, you must cut the red cabbage into half. Then, finely chop the red cabbage into the little pieces. Next, put all the red cabbage that been cut into the blender that already filled with the water. After that, blend the red cabbage until it is fully crushed. Lastly, use a strainer to filter the red cabbage juice. Now it's time to test the chemical using the DIY pH indicator. First, put few drops of pH indicator in all the test chemical and next stir it slowly. Lastly, observe the color changes and compare it with the pH indicator table. Now it's time to know the result of the experiment. We can categorize the laundry powder as a base as it has the pH 10, a blue-greenish color. For the bicarbonate soda, as it has a blue color, it is a base with a pH 8. Next, the tap water is an acid with pH 6 and violet color. For the vinegar, it is an acid with a pH 4 and has a purple color. Lastly, for the lemon juice, it is the most strong acid with a pH 2 and has a red color. That's all from me. Thank you for your attention and I hope you get a useful information from this video and you can try to do your own pH indicator at home. See you next time. Bye.